The road to Emmaus. Two men walked with heavy hearts, their hopes shattered, their dreams crushed. They had believed Jesus was the one, but now he was gone. Or so they thought. As they walked the 7-mile road from Jerusalem to Emmaus, sorrow filled every step. The recent events, Jesus' crucifixion, played over and over in their minds. Suddenly, a stranger joined them, quiet, gentle. He walked alongside as if he had always been there. As they talked, the stranger spoke words that stirred something deep within. He explained the scriptures, from Moses to the prophets, all pointing to a suffering Messiah. Their hearts, once cold and broken, began to burn with a strange warmth. Still, they didn't recognize him. As they reached their village, they invited the stranger to stay. At the table, he took bread, gave thanks, and broke it. In that very moment, their eyes were opened. It was him, Jesus, alive. And just as quickly, he vanished. But the fire in their hearts remained. They had seen the risen Lord. They couldn't stay silent. In the middle of the night, they ran back to Jerusalem, full of joy, full of faith, to share the good news. Jesus is alive. On the road to Emmaus, sorrow became hope, doubt turned to faith, and hearts burned with the truth. Jesus walks with us, even when we don't recognize him. Don't miss more Bible stories. Subscribe now. God bless you, dear kids.